we're going to make this bowl reverse at the cooking school. All coming out as cooks. That is chefs, let's say.
I'll sit. I don't want to be there.
So you guys are going to have to just knee down a bit. Oh, wow, is this the cooking class?
Hey, Brian. How
Hi.
are you?
Good, good. What are you doing here?
Will convince today?
Bowl reverse with all this stuff.
Yes.
She brought me a hat.
Awesome.
And, oh, you guys also got an apron on.
Uh-huh.
Aprons are a lot more complicated than you make them out.
Yeah, Matt and Taylor are from the US, all the way from the US to come and learn how to do a bowl reverse.
Mauritian food. They're learning Mauritian food.
Uh-huh.
Have you guys eaten one of these yet?
We have not.
Awesome.
Awesome.
I know.
Awesome.
Really excited.
In our videos, we normally film other people cooking. We hardly ever cook ourselves, so this is completely natural for us.
A little of this. A little of this.
Nice and colorful.
Okay. Okay, we're going to make our eggs here. Bit of salt.
Oh, I don't want to break the yolk. I'm an expert after all.
How do you like your eggs?
Scrambled.
Well, I almost made it.
We're going to place it here.
Upside down.
Yeah, like the yellow should go
At the bottom.
down, at the bottom, right. We'll allow it to
Get
have
hot.
to take some time.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the sauce also, huh?
Very important. The sauce is
Like the
most
teamwork
important
is going
bit.
on
Yeah.
and on. One thing I forgot.
Pack it down.
Mon bouillon là-bas même. Oh là là.
Look at that perfect egg on top.
Can I get one spoon?
Oh, wow.
But he's scared to help. Now we have some experience also.
You one of the students here?
Yes.
What's your name?
Anshini. My name is Anshini.
Coffee buttercream. And do you make the cream yourself? Do you
Yes.
mix it? Oh, awesome.
My name is Zahir.
And you're also here at the school. What are you making there?
Pavlova.
Pavlova. I've heard those are impossible to make. Oh, wow, look at that. You guys learning like restaurant quality stuff here. That is beautiful. Oh, here comes the cake.
Yeah, 3.
6 months.
Oh.
You know what I love about cooking schools? They have so much food you get to try.
What is this?
Wonton.
Wonton.
Chili sauce.
With chili sauce. Oh, did you hear that crunch?
I did.
Hanshika.
Hanshika. And what did you think of your wonton? It's good.
Do you think I should come and try one?
Yes.
She made them. I don't know how she made to get them so crunchy, but she put a lot of chili on. That scares me a bit.
Yeah, no, but she's Mauritian.
Yeah, yeah. Oh wow, it's so crunchy. Nice work.
5 stars. 98%.
That is like a Mauritian institution right there. Bread vindaya.
Starter with this.
Okay, a Marlin Vindaya starter.
You sometimes get it served on a bun or in a roti or in one of those dalpuris you just had.
Quite good.
You guys are awesome foodies.
Hi, my name is Shahana.
Shanana.
Shahana.
Shahana.
Yes.
Okay, well, what are you doing for us today?
So today I baked Napolitan, which is a biscuit jam sandwich.
Okay,
Like this.
let's have a quick look.
Yeah. Inside
Wow.
there are jam, strawberry jam,
Uh-huh.
and then I will dip it
Ooh,
icing sugar
Oh, those look awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi, my name is Nuria. Today
Nuria.
I prepare a marble cake.
Can I see your apron? Are you part of Kitchen Battle?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see your cake.
Yeah, this is a marble cake.
Marble cake.
Marble cake.
How do you make it like that on top?
This is some royal icing. Royal icing.
Oh, royal icing.
Yes.
Oh, awesome. That looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name? What you doing for us?
It's a sandwich with cheese ball.
A cheese ball.
Cheese ball sandwich. A sandwich with a cheese ball.
Well, what's a cheese ball?
It's basically cheese inside.
It's just a ball with cheese inside it. I suppose that makes sense. Oh, awesome. It's a ball with cheese in it, literally in the name.
Show me.
Mmm. It's like a cream cheese.
Okay.
Mmm. You're gonna like that. If there was any left.
I'm sure there'll be more on the table.
This dal puri, we have different ways of eating it.
Okay.
So today we are going to make it like a Swiss roll.
A Swiss roll, dal puri Swiss roll.
Right.
Ooh.
That's it. And we're going to cut it just like a Swiss roll, and we're going to take it as a snack. We have two types of chutney. We have one is kotomili chutney, and one is mango chutney, as you can see here.
So that's the mango chutney.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we are our preference is with the kotomili, that we call it.
Okay.
Right. And then-
Coriander.
yeah, coriander. Great. And then we're going to roll it like that. We're going to keep it, and then we're going to cut it into like a Swiss roll. This has been made by my great friend who woke up early morning, 4 o'clock, to start making this.
So you made it at 4 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. He woke up. Alone he did it. Amazing.
Okay, he had to do it all by himself.
Yeah. He just loved cooking. I like to do things differently.
You're a pharmacist.
Yeah, I'm pharmacist by profession. I'm a businesswoman. Cooking is my passion.
Oh, awesome.
So you're doing cooking for passion. That's awesome. Oh, have a look at it. It is like a Swiss roll.
Wow.
That's awesome. But it's all in the taste, of course it is. Oh, wow. Oh, the coriander.
Nice. Spicy.
No, it's really good.
Cool.
Try. Uh-huh.
We'll go outside like this and remove it there.
Yeah. The chefs. Nicely done, guys. Oh, here we go. Oh, perfect.
Proud of their work.
Beautiful.
For sure. That looks so cool. Let's go eat it.
Yes.
Time to eat.
Oh, it looks like we're getting married again.
Oh man, this is like wedding or what? It's a big piece. Yum. Now we're gonna eat a lot.
Look at this stuff. Oh, wow.
You're missing one banana tart.
Oh, there's a missing banana tart. It is. Mauritians make this the best as well. I think this is why they call it marble cake. I thought it was just for the icing on top. It looks like it's marbled on the inside.
It is.
Oh, and it's quite light.
Nice.
Oh, yum. Tastes like marble.
Get out of your hotel room.
Gotta come cook up your own food in Mauritius.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. And yeah, they're right. You have to come and cook some Mauritian food.
And eat it.
And then eat it even better. Natabia, you can see her Facebook and you can phone her on all the numbers. Oh wow, cooking in Mauritius. It's a thing. Well anyway everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time.